Hey, Steve Zelnardo here at Treviso Realty, Treviso Homes. Back at the property. As you can see now, we finally got our driveway in. So this was done between Friday and Saturday. A really nice job. Look how clean these lines are. So a little bit of a nice wide mouth here at the end. They did a cold patch here, kind of put this all together. Really nice work. Really happy with these trades. Look how beautiful this is. Look how flush. As an OCD myself, this is absolutely perfect. Really love it. Garage door openers got installed. Power weirdly is not working in there, so we can't try them. We gotta get the electrician back here. Could be a wire maybe disconnected or something may have happened during the drywall phase. But you see here we did 42 inches. We want to do 48, but we didn't have enough pavers, so we did 42 inches wide. And what we did, this is obviously going to be all nice and landscaped here, so nice approach. And then what we did here to kind of do some nice little taper in this section here to kind of open it up. Really clean work. Really happy with this crew. Yeah, really nice. And the good news is we have air conditioning. So we have AC running right now. Last of the trades. Kitchen's all done. Just this area, we had an issue with the again, this is all details we're gonna have to figure out when we're doing it. But see, if you see this hood range is a little bit, is 1.5 inches out. We had an 8-inch chimney that's probably, we can squeeze it, but it's gonna be a little awkward. So what we did is we ordered a new hood range, something more robust, a better hood range anyways, much more expensive. And it's gonna have almost a 12-inch chimney going up, so we're gonna bury that pipe in quite nice. And then we ordered a better one, so it'll have higher CFMs and all that, so pretty good. This is our HVAC. It is blowing cool air. I just turned it on. We're at 85 and 66% humidity now. We went down 1 degree so far. But have a look at this. This is cool. I kind of thought this originally. I wanted this a little different, but look how beautiful this all is. This is all coming in from the attic. Our HVAC unit, our air handle is in there. A really nice job. And then what happens is this filter goes on this area here. So it's got dual filtration. And then every room has a filter similar to this one. I guess you can upgrade it later on, but if you kind of see, every room has its own filter for you know, better breathing air. I kind of like that. I wish we had that in our house. The house is cooling down quite nice already. All done here. What else did we do? So we can take a look at we're waiting for the cage to get fabricated now. This is what's holding back the pool and the gunite here. So as soon as we get the cage here and installed, then we can finish off the pool, get it full of water, and away you go. I believe the pool equipment's gonna be installed this week too. All the heating equipment and all that. But look how nice this window is. Huge window. Really happy with this. If you kind of see my kneecap, it's about 2 feet, so 2 feet off the ground. And it's literally, remember, we're 10-foot ceilings. That's got to be about 2 feet off there. So it's 3 feet minus. It's like a 7-foot window. Let's just say that. So it's quite large. We paid a fortune for it, but it's totally worth it. Kitchen, we redid some areas. We made it more. I mean, this is taking up a different color because of the camera itself, but it's all nicely neutralized colors now. The grain's flowing all the same way. We had them redo this. We spent a little bit more money, but I wanted it done properly. So now all the grain is running the same way. Like if you kind of see this panel here, it's all running the same way. And then we installed a few more of these dummy cabinets here, just to kind of give a little bit more definition. And that's pretty much it. And then just the garage itself, like I was mentioning, so we had to do this. We just put an extra cavity here. We're gonna get the black handles now. We don't know what we're gonna do with this area. We couldn't get another cabinets across, but I think we're just gonna create like a dummy here, door, just kind of close it off, box it in. And the garage, you kind of see here this light peeking in through the top. I gotta get the door guys back. Yeah, I don't have the power here. It's strange. I'm not sure why. Anyway, we're gonna get the electrician back. We just powered up the AC unit. So, and the air handler, which these two breakers now. That's it. We have air conditioning. We dropped like 3 or 4 degrees already, which is nice. This will all be cleaned up this week as of Wednesday after the painters come in. And then what we're gonna do is on Friday, we're gonna do this beautiful epoxy, like white epoxy like I have it in my house with the black and white flake to make this look really high end. And yeah, that's pretty much it. coming to a close. We're on the 10-yard line, and it's literally a touchdown any day now. So I just actually spoke to the landscaper, so he's coming in on Thursday to finalize all of this. So we're gonna have some beautiful sod and irrigation, and we're ready to rock and roll, ready for the market.